And now for the next bad boy! Hey guys, we just woke up not so long ago and we have some new investments we made. And this is one of them. I'm so excited for them. So, pick. Okay, we got the lens cap.
Ooh, cute.
The lens. Which
Can I open?
Yeah. And just a lot of other stuff that, well, it's not as important as the main deal. We have like a holder, we have some filters, but I want to get a variable ND filter, which means that I have 7 in 1 instead of switching between many of them to like keep the control of the brightness. And the beast.
I want to do it.
Do it.
And I don't understand any of what it's saying. I just want to see what the lens looks like.
Yeah, so basically the filter, well, I'll just show real quick how that would work. Yes. Come on, get up. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so that's like a purplish one. That's the clear one, and there should be a gray one. Yep, this is the gray one. All right, so.
You're taking the attention away from this bad.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, unpack that. Basically, as big as the one we currently have. Okay, so.
Ta-da.
So I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna put that on in a sec. But first, check out what this would do if you put this on. See, it makes it a little bit darker, and that's it. Which is good if you're in a very bright environment. Okay. So now we're gonna pause the camera, and guys, so right now you're at 18 millimeters, and if we zoom in all the way, which is 55, I believe. Yeah, 55. That's how much is 55 millimeters zoomed in, And we're back to the 18. Now we're gonna cut the clip and put on this lens. Alright guys, so if you notice right now, we're still in 18 millimeters, but check this out. This is what happens when we go to 10 millimeters. See? Now it captures a lot more. Yeah, so now you see a lot more, right babe?
Yeah.
Do you like it? I mean, you're gonna have to hold it up close. Like before, I had to hold the camera like this to capture this. Now I can literally go like this, babe. Look, I can go like this, and
like, ta-ta.
yeah, it's gonna capture us. So yeah, this is a big improvement, eh?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's get rid of all this stuff. Let's put it back here real quick. And now for the next bad boy. I wanted to invest into a computer that's like a business computer. I know it's a gaming computer, but hear me out. Gaming computers are just as good as for business. I mean, as for games, as for business, because they're strong and they cover basically everything I need. So I wanted a small computer because I had an Alienware 17. If you could see, well, yeah, you could see now that we have the lens in, and yeah.
I wanted a MacBook, but gaming computer for the win. Yeah.
Yeah. Ta-dum. Wow, so protected. Oh,
It's missing one.
one of them came off. Yep, it was pretty tight in there.
Pretty tight in there.
So.
Oh my goodness, it's your fun, right, babe?
Yes.
I like funny couple goals, right? Whatever that means.
Dum, 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 dum.
You're not ready for this.
We're just gonna pop this baby out. And here it is.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Oh yeah?
You're welcome. That's just the saying. This is a computer.
2 hours later.
Happy days!
So we turned it on, and this is what it looked like. We set it up just now when you guys weren't looking, and it's really pretty. It's like really popping with the colors, and there's this weird red and black WASD.
WASD for games.
For gaming, but this is not for gaming purposes.
Yeah.
This is for editing YouTube purposes.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that's all I know about this computer.
Yeah, and basically, so that's funny, right? Right, basically, so it has, what does it have? 6-core hexa-core, 12 threads, has 4.1 megahertz of turbo, and the battery life isn't the worst, but it's not the best either.
It's definitely not the best. If it's like Chris's gaming laptop, we're gonna always have to have this plugged in.
Yeah.
Which is not bad, because now that you fly and stuff, there's always an outlet for something, so
Yeah.
hopefully we'll be fine.
I do not like the cooling system because the fans, there are 2 fans placed on this side and none on this side. I like to have 1 fan on each side because I think that's like balanced. But basically this was the best budget computer. I wanted to get as much power out of it for the lowest amount of, you know, money. And yeah, oh yeah, also this came with it. Ta-da. Predator.
Do you guys like the design of this computer? I don't even know if you can see it, but it's not my favorite, but I think I'll just get used to it. It's pretty.
I like it.
I like it.
Yeah. No, I don't care about none of this, honestly, so
That's the instruction, babe.
that's okay. We don't need it.
We don't need it.
Yeah. So say, let's turn on Predator Sense, and
I should make an ASMR video for you guys.
yes, you should. So zoom in with this wide-angle lens. So we're gonna turn on max and listen to this. Yeah, it's pretty strong. But how have you guys been?
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, Or at 18mm, so you have to like literally hold the camera out with my hand so far. And now, if we do the wide angle lens, look how close we are, babe.
We're super duper close.
Yeah.
We're too close to your face.
And I'm just going to switch hands and show you how close it was actually. Yep, you were in that slot, so.
You were in that slot.
So now you hold it, babe, and tell me, what do you think about the lens?
I think you're still tall. Ooh. Okay, so before I used to struggle to hold the lens, because, I mean, not the lens.
To capture us, right?
Yeah, because it's taller than me. It's like 5'9".
Yeah, 5'11" actually. I think now, or
5'11".
maybe 6 even.
And I'm 5'3", so you know.
A big
That
difference.
could be a struggle.
Yeah.
But yeah, now it's easier actually. And this bad boy just looks so fat. You're such a fatty. Aren't you a fat one? No, this one.
Oh. I was like, I'm fat. I tried to lose weight.
No, B. I'm sticking to this fat ass Canon zoom lens. Let's turn on the light.
Okay.
The light here, ooh. I bet y'all weren't ready for that.
Yeah, so how do you like the lens? Not really. Just give your honest opinion. Like, did you expect more from it, or? We do that again?
Ooh, y'all see my eyes? They're so beautiful.
I know, right? Wait, can
Oh
you
my
even see me?
god. Aw, look at your eyes. They're light brown.
Okay, actually extend your arm to see the difference that it captures.
If I was to record Chris from before, like I would have to hold it out.
Yeah, and
This much?
You'd have to precise it, you know,
Yeah,
like, make
and
sure
like-
that I'm all the time in the frame.
Yeah, but now, ooh, it is kind of heavy though, because I can feel my hands shaking.
No, but you're gonna grow this one right here.
No.
You're gonna grow this one.
No.
Yeah.
Change my hand. It was shaking. Yeah, but I don't have to like worry too much about you not being in the cuts.
Yeah. So.
In the cuts.
So overall, do you like or not like?
Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot.
There you go. So, on to the video, right? Or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna actually. I think we should just upload this by itself. It's
Yeah.
probably already too long,
Yeah.
and you know how we are with long videos.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys, but we just create the videos that we would have created for ourselves, just to remind ourselves in the future, you know. So.
Peace.
Yeah.